Are you tired of having a low credit score for your VA loan? Would you like to boost your credit score in just 5 minutes so you come to the right place? There's going to be 5 steps you're going to do, and we're going to get this done together. Step number 1, pay your bills on time. Late payments can significantly lower your credit score. Set up automatic payments. Number 2, keep your credit card utilization low, less than 30% of the available balance. So if you can borrow $1,000, you want to keep that balance under $300. That's going to help you get a much higher score. I've seen credit card balances move scores almost more than collections. It's crazy. It can move at 100 points based on whether you have low credit card balances or high credit card balances. Step number 3, pay off any outstanding debts. You want to reduce the balances and watch your credit score rise. You improve your debt to income ratio. Step number 4, regularly check your credit report for errors and discrepancies. We actually have a credit monitoring service. We can tell you if there's any credit hits on your report. It'll email you automatically and also send me an email, and we can make sure that that's you doing it and not somebody else. Step number 5, be patient and consistent in your credit improvement efforts. Remember that it takes time and changes to reflect in your credit report. If you do want to do disputes against Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, I can also help you with that. I've walked people through this. If you do it correctly, I've had people get their scores boosted 80 points in 5 days. I'm not kidding you. But you have to, it's a very arduous process. It's very technically minded. So you're going to need to be very good at this. You need to log in and do it. I can't do it for you because it's your credit report, because you have to log in as yourself and do that. I can help you boost your credit scores in these ways, follow these ways. Also, shout out Black Rifle, local Bernie, Texas, where we try to help veterans. The other lenders are tripling their margins on lenders. Texas Home Loans does not do this. We're one of the only lenders that does it. It's all right there. You can see it in the rate sheets. They can't hide it anymore. This is something that's going on for 50 years, and it's wrong. What they do is the VA rate should be 3/4 a point lower. And what do the banks do? What do the mortgage companies do? They move it up almost to the same amount. We're 3/4 a point lower in our VA loans for the same FICO score, for the same purchase. Our lenders can't say that because they're moving their margins up. And if you Google overcharging VA lenders, you'll see some big names in banking. It's a dirty secret. They all do it. Why don't they talk about it? Because they're all making money on it. They're all in on it. So it's not right. We don't do that, and we want veterans to get a good deal. We want veterans to get a fair shake. If you serve your country, you deserve to at least have the company make the same profit as somebody off the street. What is with this? I'm going to triple the margins. That happened, started a long time ago, and the banks still do it. And it's a dirty secret in the American finance industry. I've got veterans who used to work in the finance industry. They saw it firsthand. I got one of my veterans, he used to work at USA as a loan officer. He's like, yeah, they made more money. I worked in the secondary department. I saw there was higher profits on VA loans versus conventional loans. So there you go. Give us a call, get a fair shake. You can be shocked at our rates, but we're not doing anything great. All we're doing is not stealing. But comparatively, these other lenders, we look like heroes. Thanks for your service, and thank you again from Texas Home Loans. Don't forget to subscribe.